Hello everyone. Well, have a guess where I am. I'll give you a bit of a hint. They do it bigger and better in America. I'm at the Fox headquarters in Irvine, California. Now let's go in, talk to some of the key staff behind this iconic motocross brand. Come on, let's go and have a look. It should be good.
So since you're in all the way from Australia, we'd like to really show you the Fox Global headquarters. So first things first stop is our retail store. So we've got a retail store that everyone can come in, shop, maybe pick you guys up some gear before you head back, and then we'll take you through Main Street and over to our product development process and show you a little bit about the behind the scenes that happen here at Fox.
Mate, it's very dangerous. Don't take me to any retail stores and tell me I can get gear. That is bad. But this is great for the Aussie fans out there. If you come out and see a Supercross or motocross, they can stop by, see how cool Fox is, and then go and buy some gear as well. That's a cool thing.
Absolutely, yeah.
Well, let's go inside. I'm pumped to get in there, mate. It's going to be awesome.
Cool, let's go.
Let's go.
All right.
Jace, what's with the zebra patterns going on?
Oh, the zebra. So this is a direct nod to a lot of our heritage here at Fox. In fact, this is a direct pull from some of the really early legacy stuff that Pete Fox was behind when he really kind of started taking over the design helm.
Yeah.
So Pete's made a big point of every building that we've been in.
Yeah.
He's put this ode back to the zebra heritage legacy that we kind of have from the Fox brand. It's a really kind of iconic staple design that we've used over the years. So we've got this big aisle down the middle of the building that we call Main Street. So basically this is kind of the main lifeline of the building. So on one side we've got sales, marketing, and a lot of operations. On the other side we have design and development. These here are actually mock-up display showrooms that we have. So we have three main categories for Fox. We've got a mountain bike category, a lifestyle category, and of course MX, our biggest category. And so what happens is we bring a lot of people from the globe into the building, and we have a lot of sales meetings and marketing meetings. And when we bring people in, we can actually stage these rooms out as mock retail environments.
And look at this next up is you've got a whole range of bikes here, which is so cool.
Yeah, it's probably one of the coolest things about the building is just the heritage that we have. Over the years, the Fox family has collected some kind of iconic race bikes and also just bikes from athletes who've been a huge part of the brand.
Great concept you guys are keeping the bikes, but now, mate, look at this, the lab. What goes on here?
Yeah, so the lab is a new initiative that we kicked off in early 2017. But what it basically is it's a design and development hub. It's our Skunk Works area where we pull in and we look to the future and we say, hey, where are we at today in terms of our product development, and where do we want to be 10 years from now, and how do we start bringing those advancements in today? So this really is it's our special projects area.
This is where all the new projects like the Vogue goggle, your new boots that are coming out, those sorts of, everything's developed in there.
That's right.
So this is where we're going now, yeah?
No, I think you need to have that special badge, man.
This is awesome. Look at the murals, you've got bikes here. This really is a kitchen I'd like to eat at.
Absolutely, man. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's a great service that we have. So we've got a whole kitchen, full coffee bar. We've got a snack bar on the other side. We've got a pinball machine, a ping pong table. So this is kind of where we come, get away from the desks.
This looks like a really cool part of town, Jace.
Absolutely. This is kind of where all the magic happens. This is the hub of our design and development area. So this is where we make all the new products, soft goods, hard goods.
The technical design team actually helps us create samples in-house.
Yep.
And it helps design then be able to choose where we want more mobility, which is stretch right here, where you can see in the dark spots, in the back and then at the knee, just where you need it for rider movement on bike.
Mate, this is awesome. You look after all of the riders, don't you?
Yeah, so everyone from that we have at Fox, from the Shift guys, the Fox guys, to sometimes our European riders over to the mountain bike side.
Yeah.
Pretty much any athlete that the brand sponsors comes through here at some point.
What are we working on in the future, buddy?
Pushing hard on hard goods, meaning boots, helmets, goggles. We're really trying to push the limits on really everything we touch.
With R&D, so does that just come from your top riders, or where else do you get that from?
It comes from everybody. It comes from everybody down to entry-level riders, you know, fast amateurs, you know, pros, vets. Anybody who's got input, we kind of try to cater to it.
Well, how cool is this? They've got their own pit bike track right here in the backyard of their work. Who doesn't want one of these at work? It's been an awesome day. I hope you guys have enjoyed it as well. I'm going to go and see if I can score myself a ride on one of these. This is great fun.